पंचमः पाठः युग्ममाला अंतिमः भागः. If you haven't seen the first part of this poem, then you must watch that video first so you will understand this poem better. Let's start. Third श्लोक. तावत् भयाधिभेतव्यं यावत् भयमनागतम् आगतं तु भयं वीक्ष्य नरः कुर्यात् यथोचितम्. अन्वयः. यावत् भयम् अनागतं तावत् हि भयात् भेतव्यम् तथापि आगतं तु भयं वीक्ष्य नरः यथोचितं कुर्यात्. भयाधि भयात् प्लस ही भयमनागतं भयं प्लस अनागतम्. यावत् तावत् as long as or till then. भयम calamity अनागतम न आगतम has not arrived. भेतव्यम it is right to be scared or afraid. To but वीक्ष्य by seeing. यथोचितम उचितम अनुसृत्य that which is suitable or appropriate. Kuryat do or take action. It is all right to be afraid of calamity as long as calamity has not struck. But when calamity is impending, one must do whatever is suitable to face or fight it. Fear means danger or calamity. It is not right to be scared and to lose heart now by dreading about the possibility of likely danger in future. The biggest fear is of death. Death is certain to occur to each one sometime or the other. But we are not afraid of it today itself. There is a saying in English, cross the bridge when you come to it. It is wrong to be afraid of calamity simply by its thought. This moral is well explained in this verse. Fourth श्लोक. उत्तमो नातिवक्ता स्यादमो बहुभाषते सुवर्णे न ध्वनिस्ताद्रु ज्ञादृकांसे प्रजायते. अन्वयः. उत्तमः अतिवक्ता न स्यात् अधमः बहुभाषते यादृक् कांसे ध्वनि प्रजायते तादृक् सुवर्णे ध्वनि न प्रजायते. उत्तमो नातिवक्ता उत्तमः प्लस न प्लस अतिवक्ता स्यादमो बहु स्यात् प्लस अधमः प्लस बहु ध्वनिस्तादृक् ज्ञादृकांसे ध्वनि ही प्लस तादृक् प्लस यादृक् प्लस कांसे. यादृक् तादृक् as much or that much. उत्तमः best person अतिवक्ता talkative no अधमः mean natured बहु lots of भाषते chatters कांसे of the zinc alloy metal प्रजायते is made सुवर्णे gold. Base person does not talk out of proportion. A mean-natured person chatters a lot. Gold does not make so much noise as zinc alloy does. A good-natured person does not talks too much. There is a famous proverb that goes, "उथळ पाण्याला खळखळाट फार," means empty vessels make most noise. However, in this verse, the gold does not make any noise. Rather, the zinc alloy pot makes a louder noise. This parable is used here to explain the implicit meaning that a best person is like gold. As all know the worth of gold, it does not need any advertising. If we attentively listen, the chattering of talkative person is mainly self-praises and lack of confidence is the real cause behind it. A best person has confidence in his or her capabilities and so does not feel the need to draw people's attention with excessive talks. यादृशं वपते बीजं क्षेत्रमासाद्य कर्षकाः सुकृते दुष्कृते वापि तादृशं लभते फलम्. अन्वयः कर्षकाः क्षेत्रमासाद्य यादृशं बीजं वपते तादृशं फलं लभते. तथैव मनुष्याः सुकृते वा दुष्कृते वा अपि तादृशम् इष्टम् अनिष्टं वा फलं लभते. क्षेत्रमासाद्य क्षेत्रम प्लस आसाद्य वापि वा प्लस अपि. यादृशम such as तादृशम thus. कर्षकः farmer, क्षेत्रम field, आसाद्य by going, बीजम seed, वपते sow, फलम fruits, लभते gets. तथैव like that, manushaha person, sukrute doing virtuous, va or dushkrute bad deeds, ishtam good, anishtam bad, va or phalam result, labate gets. Whatever sort of seeds a farmer sows, the same kind of crops he gets. Similarly, whatever kind of deed a person does, similarly results, good or bad, he gets. There is a saying that it grows as you sow. The farmer goes to the field and sows the kind of seed that grows. One will get the same fruits as he did. Bad deeds do not bring good fruits. The one who studied well gets good success in exams. A good craftsman can easily get well-paying job. The examples of criminals being punished are eloquent and instructive enough.